What is it?
Mystery tackle box.
I thought there for a second you were gonna say lucky tackle box. Got our mystery tackle box today, so we're gonna open her up real quick. Like I know I say it every time, this one's gonna be real quick. Like Mama's trying to keep the little kids quiet, so we don't want to make Mama miserable. We got a bunch of little card things in here. What's inside? Dibble. Oh boy, I'm already liking what I see. Where to fish the juicy jig? Where to fish the motorboat? All right, Joe.
First one?
First one up.
The first one is the longest one.
Before we begin, because I always forget to do this, if you guys wouldn't mind subscribing and sharing to our channel and sharing this video, liking this video, we greatly appreciate it. It really helps us put this video out a little bit more. The goal here, I think, is to get kids more involved in the fishing, and that's why Joe helps us out. That's primarily why I started getting these tackle boxes, was to just boost up my bait collection and hopefully get Joe fishing a little bit more. So that's the goal: get the kids fishing. Kids see kids in videos, maybe they'll become interested. I don't know. So if you wouldn't mind liking the video, sharing the video, we'd greatly appreciate it. Into it. Go ahead.
13 fishing motorboat hybrid prop bait.
13 fishing motorboat hybrid prop bait. How much?
$9.
$9. Oh, and that's one of the. Ooh, man, look at that. That thing looks cool.
What?
That's a big bait.
Oh yeah.
This is, and they give you a little card too that explains a little more about the bait. Gear recommendations: rod 6 to 7 medium, medium heavy, blah blah blah. Line 8 to 15 mono or 30 to 40 braid. Floating ½ ounce. Made in Tampa, Florida. That's always nice. The motorboat 110. Sweet. That's a big bait, but I think it'll work for some big fish. $9. That's pretty good. I'd buy that for $9. All right, what's next?
Googan Squad mini recon $7.99.
Googan Squad. I like me some Googan Squad stuff, and it looks like there's quite a bit of Googan Squad things in this box. Mini recon. Little diving bait. 3 to 6 feet, 2 inches, weighs a ¼ ounce. Looks like a shad. Color. Native shad. Googan baits make some good stuff. Really like their stuff. That's what, $8? Sweet. I buy it for $8. Thanks, Googan Squad. What's next?
Vertical lures Tube X. $5.99.
Vertical lures Tube X. Look at that. Ooh. Nice packaging here. We'll take one out so you can see it better. Some tubes. I could use some tubes. This is good. Ooh, that's nice. Black with red flake. I don't know if that's going to focus on. There we go. Black with red flake. That's a nice tube. Sweet. I like those, Joe. I like those a lot. Vertical lures.
It's good that you like Googan Squad baits because they're like 1 or 2 more Googan baits.
1 or 2 more Googan baits. All right, how much were these tubes? $6? Sweet. All right, what's next?
Googan Squad Juicy Jig.
Googan Squad Juicy Jig. 5/16 ounce. Casting jig. Blue crawl color. That's a good color. That's the bait. Here's the card to give you a little extra card with some more information. Can't get my camera positioning right. It's nice to send you a little card. You can read about it a little bit. We'll read about it a little bit later. How much is it? $5?
Yeah.
Sweet. What's next?
X-Zone Lures Deception Worm.
The Deception Worm. It sounds like a Transformer name.
It's
Deception Worm.
$4.99.
$5. Here we got a 15 pack. Nice. floating 6-inch green pumpkin blue. So green pumpkin with blue flake. It's packaging. Ooh, Joe, those are gonna work. I'm liking this box. I just want to show you the color. Lots of blue flake in there. Green pumpkin blue flake. Nice. How much are those?
$4.99.
$4.99. $5 for 15 of them. That's a good deal. I'm liking that. This might be my all-time favorite box, Joe.
Me too.
All right, next up.
Smart Baits Robbie Ribbon Worm. $4.49.
Robbie Ribbon Worm. That's big bite baits. Oh, these are the color changing ones. We got some of these. I don't think we have the Robbie Ribbon Worm yet. How much are these? $5 again?
Yep. No, it's $4.99. So basically just $4.
$4.49. You mean $4.49? $4.49. Color changing baits. Might be hard to see that color. Nice. There are 5 of them. Sweet. What's next?
Big Bite Baits, Yo Mama.
What is it?
Yo Mama.
Big Bite Baits, Yo Mama.
$3.50.
$3.50. There's quite a few of them in here. Oh, this is like a little creature bait. Nice. I always use some of these too. This here be the Yo Mama. Blue, purplish with red flake in it. Sweet, man. We'll use that. Put that on some jigs. How much is that? $3.50. $3.50? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. At least 7 in there. Sweet. So sweet. Next.
Googan Squad Heavy Hammer Hooks.
Googan Squad.
$3.29.
Heavy hammer hooks. $3.29 for 3 of them. 3-aught.
Oh.
Hammer hooks. What do we say about hooks? What do we say about hooks, dude?
Never enough hooks.
Can never have enough hooks. That's all the bait and stuff we got. But
I like that sticker.
yeah, you can have this one.
Yay!
Pretty sweet sticker. That's pretty cool, Joe. I really like this box a lot. It might be my favorite box that we've gotten from them so far. Quite a bit of baits in this one. 3 Googan things. That's pretty sweet. Keep this up, Mystery Tackle Box, and I'm not going to cancel that subscription. You have anything you want to tell them? Okay, go ahead.
I lost my 2 front teeth not real long ago.
Not real long ago, we pulled them out with what?
Pliers.
Pliers. Pulled one out one day, the other one out the next day. Pair of pliers, huh? Show them. Gone. They gone. You're looking goofy. Alright, well, again, we appreciate you guys watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you wouldn't mind doing so. We'd greatly appreciate it. Get your kids out to fish. Now's as good as time as any. So, get them out fishing, right?
Did you show them the sticker?
Yeah, I showed them the sticker. Alright, nothing else you want to tell them?
No.
Alright, our short video lasted at least 9 minutes and 30 seconds now, so sorry about that. We'll try to do better next time. It ain't gonna happen. Alright, thanks for watching.